Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the LG 32U990AS 32-inch UltraFine 6K Nano IPS, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. Are you tired of working with monitors that can't keep up with your creative vision? Do you feel like you're stuck in a world where everything is just good enough when what you really need is studio-grade quality? Well, we've got some exciting news for you. The LG 32U990AS 6K UltraFine Nano IPS monitor is here to change the game. This monitor is designed specifically for creative professionals who demand more. It's built with high-end features that will make your workflow easier and more efficient. Whether you're editing 6K video, retouching large-format photography, building 3D assets, designing immersive websites, or training AI visuals, this display delivers performance that keeps up with your vision. Let's take a closer look at some of the key features that set this monitor apart from the rest. First off, we've got the Thunderbolt 5 connection. It's like having a superpower for your workflow. With 2x faster transfer speeds than Thunderbolt 4, and support for 6K daisy chaining, you'll be able to work at lightning-fast speeds without any hassle. And with 96W power delivery, you can connect multiple devices and displays using just one cable. Talk about simplifying your workspace. Another feature that's worth mentioning is the display itself. With a razor-sharp 224 ppi and 6K resolution, 6144 by 3456, this monitor packs an astonishing number of pixels into its 32-inch panel. That means you'll get an ultra-high pixel density, which translates to a more immersive viewing experience that's perfect for tasks like editing video or working with large-format photography. Now, let's talk about the real-world performance of this monitor. We've been using it for a while now, and I can tell you that it's been a game-changer for our workflow. The colors are rich and accurate, the contrast is excellent, and everything feels buttery smooth whether you're in a firefight or scrubbing through a timeline. Plus, the tilt and height adjustment makes it easy to find a comfortable viewing position. No more straining your neck or adjusting your monitor all day long. Of course, like any product, there are some areas where this monitor falls short. We've had some issues with the USB-C ports being a bit finicky at times, but overall, that's been a minor complaint. So, is the LG 32U990AS 6K UltraFine Nano IPS worth buying? If you're a creative professional who demands the best, then yes, this monitor is definitely worth considering. It's not for everyone, of course. If you're just starting out or don't need top-of-the-line performance, there are plenty of other options on the market that can get the job done. But if you're looking for a reliable, high-performance display that will keep up with your creative vision, then this monitor is definitely worth checking out. Trust me, I've seen some amazing work on this thing, and I'm confident that it'll become your new favorite tool in no time. If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews.